Hello everyone. This is just a brief tutorial on how to do the Mulan fact assignment. So this obviously is the week that I'm out, or the one of the 2 weeks that I'm out. But for this assignment, you will need to have read the Ballad of Mulan and a retelling of the Ballad of Mulan. So when you open the fact assignment up, this assignment also is going to allow you to um, complete the argumentative essay. It's kind of like a first step process. So this assignment is pretty important as you're completing it for 20 points. So what you're going to be doing, and I'm going to pull it over here really quick. So in the Mulan fact assignment, what you are going to be doing, which you are pretty much experts at this by now, is you are going to be pulling 5 quotes from the Ballad of Mulan and then 5 from a retelling of the Ballad of Mulan. What you are looking at is the actual quote. So basically, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to pretty much be able to like you're going to be able to just copy and paste for the most part. So, for example, I am going to pull up and show you really quick. So let me go back, and I'm actually going to pause because it's going to take a second. Okay, so I have the Ballad of Mulan pulled up, and I just clicked on that PDF file in the classroom. And the Ballad of Mulan is actually a ballad, so it's kind of like a poem. Not very long, it's about 2 pages long. But as you read through, what you're going to do is you're going to remember things. You're going to be like, oh, well, this happened and that happened, right? So what you're going to be doing is you are going to be writing down the like what happened kind of in your own words. That's the fact. So as we read through here, and we'll kind of do one together just to show you. But she says, tis tis again, tis tis. Mulan weaves facing the door. You don't hear the shuttle's sound, you only hear the daughter's sighs. They ask daughter, who's in her heart? They ask daughter, who's on her mind? No one's on daughter's heart, no one's on daughter's mind. Last night I saw the draft posters. The Khan is calling many troops. The army list is the 12 scrolls. On every scroll there's father's name. So if I'm looking at a fact that happened just from what I read there, um, I'm going to say that one of the facts is Mulan's dad. And I just spelled that wrong. Mulan's dad is being called to war. So that would be a fact that I could just say. That's something that I read. So there's talking about the draft poster. So when someone's in a draft poster, it just means that they're being drafted into the war and they're being asked to go fight or actually being told they're going to go fight. So if I see that and I'm like, okay, well, what quote would I use to say that I saw that? Um, I could say that my quote would be, and if I can highlight it with just using this, I may not be able to because it's like in a, uh, I'll got it, hold on. It's not working. Oh wait, here, I'm gonna do it that way. Copy, put it back here. Oh, that didn't work either. So if you download it, it probably will. But I would type in as my quote, and I'll share it with you in a second. On every scroll, there's father's name. Oops. Okay, so that would be my fact. I would just copy and highlight it or type it in, but basically that would be my fact. So what you're going to do is or that would be my quote that I would be pulling out of the actual article. So as you read you're going to be like, oh, this happened and this happened and this happened. So you're going to write down the facts, like these things happened, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to find the quote that supports your fact and you're going to type that in, right? So you can imagine this is going to help you as you go to write your argumentative paper because you have to pull textual evidence, you have to pull quotes. So when you go to write your paper, your textual evidence is right here that you need. All you have to do is pull up this paper and it's going to be right there. So in your paper, it'll be a little bit more clear and I'll talk about it, but you do need to have quotes from the retelling of the Ballad of Mulan and you need to have quotes from the Ballad of Mulan. So you need both. So it's pretty important. This assignment itself is going to be a pre-writing assignment. It's super easy. It should not be very difficult for many of you, and it will be very helpful for you when you go to write the argumentative paper. Okay, so if you have questions, please let me know, but I think that you should be okay. If not, definitely shoot me an email, okay?